The ironing cloth laminating machine is used for the bonding of the upper and the shaping cloth. First, put the shaping cloth on a piece of white paper. Put the glue on the upper, and then place the upper on the top. The glue is activated by the temperature of the heat, and the upper and the shaping cloth can be bonded. Now we pick up the already finished upper. It fits very firmly and works very well. The temperature and pressure of the machine can be adjusted to make the fit better. The ironing cloth laminating machine is one of the important equipments to improve product value and improve quality.